Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Incognito mode on Chrome on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, go to your Start, right-click on it, then click on Run. From here, type regedit, click on OK, click on Yes. Then just go to HKey current user. From here, go to Softwares. From Softwares, just go to Policies. And in Policies, right-click on Policy, click on New, click on Key, and name this as Google. Click on Google again, click on New, click on Key, and name this as Chrome. Then inside Chrome, just right-click, click on New, click on dword 32-bit value, and name this as Incognito mode availability. Hit Enter. Then open this, make sure the base is hexadecimal, and set the value to 1. Then just click on OK. Then just close this out. Then just go ahead and restart your PC. Then after you have restarted your PC, just open up Google Chrome. Now click on the three dot icon, and then Incognito mode will not be available to you. And that is how to disable Incognito mode on Chrome on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.